Imagine picking up a container that says salt, but when you shake it, pepper comes out. It makes no sense, right? But honestly, that's exactly what happens to so many of us as Christians. Jesus called us the salt of the earth in Matthew 5. Our label says follower of Jesus. We post Bible verses and share Christian statuses. But what happens when life shakes us? We gossip, we live immorally, lie, cheat, steal, and so on. When our label and our contents don't match, it hurts the image of Christ. A tree is known by its fruit. Just as you don't pick grapes from thorn bushes, so you don't expect to find pepper in a salt shaker. Our character must match our confession. Our walk must complement our talk. So let's die to the old self and rise as the new creation Jesus died for. Let your content match your label. Stay salty and be blessed. Amen.